Right, question 4. Fair six-sided dice is rolled. What's the probability that a 4 is shown on the dice? Well, if you think about it, as it says, the dice has got 6 sides to it, 6 numbers, right? Numbers are, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Probability that you get a 4, well, you've got one chance, haven't you, of getting a 4. One chance out of the total that's here is 6 numbers there. So you've got 1 out of 6. That's what we need to circle. Part B, it says 50 raffle tickets were sold at a charity event. Sean has a 20% chance of winning the top prize. How many tickets did Sean buy? Circle your answer. Okay, so first of all, if she's got 20% chance of winning, she's bought 20% of the tickets. Okay, because each ticket has got an equal chance of being drawn out of the hat. So she's got a 20% chance of winning. As I said, she's bought 20% of the 50. So if we work that out, then we find her answer. Now to work out 20% of 50, of course we first of all work out 10%. 10% of 50 is just 5, isn't it? Because remember, 10% means that we divide by 10, yeah? That's what 10% means, divide by 10. So 10% is 5, and then all you need is another 10%, which is another 5. So in total now you can see we've got 20%, yeah? Put these together, 20% then will be these added together, which is 10. Okay, part C, it says a bag contains a mixture of blue beads, yellow beads and pink beads. One bead is drawn at random from the bag. The probability that the bead is pink is 1 over 5. Which of the following sets of beads would have been in the bag? You've got to be really careful here, okay? And you need to go through these to see the probability to be 1 out of 5. Okay, you know, you might be looking at this one and you're thinking, oh, look, there's 1 there and there's 5 here, maybe it's that one. But it doesn't always work like that. If you look at this first bag here, for instance, right, what's the chances of you getting pink? Well, you've got 3 chances, haven't you? You've got 3 chances of getting pink in this bag out of a total of how many? How many here? Well, there's 6 and 6 and 3 adds up to 15. Okay, so you've got 3 chances out of 15 of getting pink. I would do the same for each of these. How many chances have you got getting pink here? 5 chances out of a total of 15. Okay, here you've got, again, you've got 5 chances this time of getting pink out of 7. Okay, so it's quite likely you're going to get a pink there. Here, you've got 1 chance of getting pink, because there's only 1 pink there out of a total of 11. And here you've got 6 chances of getting a pink out of a total of, if we add them up, 6 and 3 is 9, plus 6 is 15. Okay, now we want the answer to be 1/5. Have we got 1/5 here? Well, it's not looking good at the moment, isn't it? We can't see 1/5. But of course, some of these fractions can be simplified, can't they? You can simplify them down. That one, that's it, isn't it? You can't go any further with that, 1/11th, so that's no good, right? So it's not, definitely not that one. This one, 6 over 15. Well, think about what goes into 6 and 15. Think about what goes into it. 3 goes into it, doesn't it? 3 goes into it. So how many times does 3 go into 15? 5 times. And how many times does 3 go into 6? Twice. Okay, so 3 goes into 6 twice. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So you've got 2/5. Okay, not 1/5. So that's not good. 5/7. I don't think you can simplify that down. They're both prime numbers. It won't go any further. 5/15. You definitely simplify this. 5, isn't it? You can divide by 5. 5 goes into 15 3 times, goes into 5 once. Okay, so 1/3. But again, it's not that. So it's got to be this last one, isn't it? Let's just check then. What goes into 3 and 15? 3. So divide by 3. You get 15 divided by 3 is 5. Divide the top one by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 1/5. So it's this one here. So we circle that one there.